chip in her windshield, so she just left it. Then she was picking her kids up, she hit a bump, and the whole windshield went crack. Eventually, all chips cracked. If she'd have called Safe Light sooner, we probably could have repaired it. We inject a special resin into the chip. It's quicker than a replacement. Plus, with most insurance plans, there's no cost to you.
Windshield chipped or cracked? Call Safe Light at 1-800-800-ASAP.
Safe Light Repair, Safe Light Replace.
Time is running out on the biggest savings of the year at Infinity of Kirkland and Infinity of Tacoma. It's the final days for Infinity's limited engagement winter event.
Savings as much as $8,000 off MSRP.
Or 0.9% financing up to 72 months.
Even the lowest lease rates of the season. Get huge savings on all remaining 08s, sporty G35s, luxurious M's, even crossovers like EX and FX.
It's the buyer's market with incredibly affordable lease rates.
Low 0.9% financing up to 72 months.
Or savings up to $8,000 off MSRP.
Power, performance, and styling that'll make your neighbors envious. Drive into the new year in the luxury car you've always dreamed about.
Don't miss the most comprehensive limited engagement winter event in Infinity's history.
ಬರ್ತ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. दो स्टार में दो बेटा फिर से एक 2 स्टार चल बस 2 स्टार
It's not in the Constitution. It's not in any court case. You can't. The decision to pull Christmas trees out of schools and do away with singing Christmas carols with a religious connotation is not constitutional. It's not legal. It is a policy decision made for politically correct reasons by school officials or city officials.
Well, yeah, I mean, and I think it's absurd to even think of that, but in today's absurd world,
So far away from the purpose of the rotunda during the holiday to celebrate holiday traditions by allowing just holiday traditions.
You know what? Allow that. That's a great source of debate and education for everyone, for crying out loud. I have no problem with churches going down there to slug it out with the atheists. Stay with us, Como 1000 News Radio.
Every 10 minutes on the board, Como 1000 traffic.
Well, if you're looking for some chains in the roadway, we found them all over King County, and that's why there is intermittently some slowdowns here and there. Too many to really list, but just give you a heads up. Watch where you're driving. We have a rollover accident eastbound 90 west of Tinkham. It is blocking the left lane. As far as other blocking problems, I'll tell you the slowdowns. There's nothing else blocking, but there have been reports of stalls. You're going to be really...
As his wife Mary, Jack Nicholson as Potter, Robin Williams as Clarence the Angel, and Dakota Fanning as Zuzu, who gets to say...